Hello and welcome to another demo of the solo theme. My name is Allah Haddad and I am the developer of the solo theme. And today we are going to talk about this feature, the predefined color schemes. And what are this exactly? These are predefined themes and I categorized them color scheme. So the way how you use it, you just pick the category and you apply. So by default, if I refresh now, the default when you install the theme, it's the Whisper, I believe. Yeah, Midnight Whispers. That's the default. And if I check, this is the default. Let's revert all the changes. And so you can see this is the default, the color and everything. So if I want to change the theme or the colors, the color scheme, I guess I could just go and pick any other one and click save. And if I refresh, here it is. And also if I go, this is how it works. You just find anything you like and apply it, and that's it. It's all there. And I have in the demo live site kind of example of all the color scheme, and kind of like when you click on it, it shows you live. So if I click on this one, there as you can see it, that's and a screenshot for it. So you could go and actually I changed the menu to the mega menu, and also here click and you could just keep looking, look for them, any other I guess color you like or you're interesting. I tried to pick these, kind of make them variety and to match with all the taste. And yeah, this feature is one of my favorite feature because it gives you really a lot of options and it saves you a lot of time from not doing any kind of custom work. And these actually they are really customized, and the way it customized it really, the button, the border, the menu, the whole thing is all custom to one theme follow. Usually I pick 2 or 3 colors to make them the main colors for that theme. I hope you like this feature and see you in the next one.